Hey everyone, welcome back to Contain Your Life, where we explore simple ways to make life a little better. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's been debated for years: the blood type diet. The big question is, can your blood type really influence which foods are best for your body? It's a concept that suggests your specific blood type, A, B, or I might hold clues to your ideal diet and lifestyle. The idea was popularized by Dr. Peter D'Adamo, who proposed that our blood types are linked to our ancestral dietary patterns. So, if we eat according to our blood type, we might digest food more efficiently, lose weight, and even prevent certain diseases. It sounds intriguing, right? Let's break it down and see what it's all about. First up, let's talk about type O. This is the oldest blood type, often referred to as the hunter. The theory suggests that people with type O blood do best on a high-protein diet, much like our hunter-gatherer ancestors. This means lean meats, poultry, and fish are your best friends. Think grilled chicken, salmon, and lean beef. To balance it out, a generous serving of vegetables like kale, spinach, and broccoli is highly recommended. However, the diet suggests that type O individuals might want to limit grains, beans, and dairy, as these foods could potentially lead to digestive issues and inflammation. So, if you're a type O, picturing yourself on a modern-day paleo-style diet might be a good way to visualize the recommendations. It's all about fueling your body with high-quality protein and lots of greens. Next, we have type A, or the cultivator. This blood type emerged when our ancestors settled into agrarian societies. As the name suggests, this diet is all about plant-based foods. People with type A blood are thought to thrive on a vegetarian or near-vegetarian diet. Fresh fruits, vegetables, beans, legumes, and whole grains are the cornerstones. Think tofu, lentils, and a rainbow of veggies on your plate. Seafood is also considered beneficial for type, as the diet recommends avoiding red meat, as it's believed to be poorly digested and can contribute to sluggishness. Dairy products should also be consumed in moderation. The focus for type A is on clean, natural, and organic foods that are light and easy on the digestive system. It's a diet that aligns well with many modern plant-forward eating trends. Now, for type B, known as the nomad. This blood type is associated with nomadic tribes who had a more varied and balanced diet. Because of this, type B individuals are said to have the most versatile digestive systems of all the blood types. They can enjoy a wide range of foods, including meat, though chicken is often recommended to be avoided, dairy, grains, and vegetables. So a balanced plate with some lamb, a side of quinoa, and steamed veggies with a little bit of cheese could be an ideal meal. The key for type B is balance and variety. The main foods to avoid are often corn, wheat, lentils, and tomatoes, which are thought to interfere with metabolism. This flexibility makes the type B diet one of the more adaptable and less restrictive plans. Finally, let's look at type AB, the enigma. As the name implies, this is the newest and rarest blood type. It's considered a mix between type A and type B. The dietary recommendations are a hybrid of the two. People with type A blood are advised to eat a mostly plant-based diet, similar to type A, but can also include some of the foods recommended for type B. This means a focus on tofu, seafood, dairy, and green vegetables. Lighter proteins are generally preferred over heavy meats. Essentially, it's about finding a happy medium. For example, you might have a meal with salmon, a side of steamed vegetables, and a small portion of rice. It's about combining the best of both worlds to create a diet that supports this unique blood type. So, what's the final verdict on the blood type diet? It's definitely an interesting way to think about personalizing your nutrition. Many people who follow it report feeling better and having more energy. However, it's important to remember that this video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. The scientific community has mixed views, and there isn't a lot of hard evidence to conclusively prove the diet's claims. Before you make any significant changes to your eating habits, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian. They can help you create a plan that's safe and effective for your individual health needs. Thanks so much for watching and learning with us today. If you found this interesting, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you won't miss our next video on simple nutrition, food facts, and wellness tips. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Have you ever tried the blood type diet? Let us know your experience. See you next time on Contain Your Life.